Right. Your mama has been very upset all day today. I've been crying a lot as well. Because I have very bad news for you.
You're poorly.
I'm not poorly. Nobody is poorly. Yeah? I have just very bad news. You know how sometimes Henry comes to life and he does naughty things?
Yeah.
Frankie. Sometimes Henry Hoover comes to life and he grows teeth and he gobbles up things. Yeah? Last time he gobbled up socks, just funny things, socks, Lego, yeah?
So it's not that bad.
No, not that bad, but you know what he did this time?
He eating our toys?
No, he didn't eat your toys, they are still there. You know the sweets you brought from Halloween?
I know what it is now. Henry ate our sweets.
Yeah. He ate all your sweets and all my sweets.
No!
Yeah, look. Bring the bag here.
Not fair! She's right.
Bring them here so I can have a look.
No sweets.
I came to living room today and your bags were completely empty, and in a cupboard I had big box of sweets. Sit down, please. He ate all my sweets too.
Not fair.
So I have no sweets at all.
That's so unfair, even for us. Not just you.
All the
us
lollies,
too.
chewing gums, everything.
But that is the worst
Chocolates.
news I've ever heard.
Is that the worst news I ever heard? I thought I'll open the Henry Hoover and get all sweets out, but it was full of rubbish and dust, and all the sweets are dirty, so we cannot eat them.
Do you think we can clean them? Please say yes.
No, they are covered in dust and dirt.
That is so unfair. I'm going to kick Henry Hoover. Throw him in the dustbin.
So all your candy that you brought from Halloween is gone.
Oh.
You can say thank you to naughty Henry.
I'm coming to smack him right now. Is he?
Should bin Henry. We should take him to the...
I knew we should have done that. Stupid Henry.
We should have done that long time ago, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
He ate all my socks.
I know exactly.
Our
what
toilet
to do.
paper, 3 bags full. 3 bags full.
And he ate everything.
Gone. And box full from the cupboard, which was mine and Daddy's. And we haven't got enough money to buy new sweets.
So there'll be no sweets forever. And we have to pay with our own money. No. Worst day ever.
No sweets forever.
Oh, unless we buy them. Buy!
Are you gonna use your own money to buy sweets from now on?
No. Yeah.
I'm not paying. I can't afford sweets. So how do you feel about not having any more sweets ever?
I feel like the steam going out of my ears. That's how I feel.
You feel like steam coming out of your ears?
That means I'm really angry.
There's nothing I can do, but I really
Shut
mean
your
it.
face, Henry Hoover. I'm saying that so he can shut his face and not eat any more sweets. Shut your face.
Look at me. You look like you're gonna cry in a minute.
I do.
Or you feel like crying.
I feel like the 3 things I feel like.
You look like your eyes are watering right now, huh?
Angry, sad, angry, sad. And what was the other one? Grumpy. Oh, I'm not grumpy.
You're just angry, sad, and really, really mad with Henry.
Yeah, mad.
Really mad.
How
How you feel? You don't care.
Well, I feel quite alright because we can just buy new ones. There's only one.
But I can't buy them.
There's only one.
I just said I can't afford your sweets. So if you want any sweets, you have to pay with your pocket money.
I only know one way.
And I would like you to buy some sweets for me because I can't afford them. I have no money and you have money.
I
so.
only got one more.
If you fancy any dessert after your main meal, I can't give you any because I haven't got anything. But we can walk to the shop with your money and we can buy some.
No, I hate shopping.
That's the only option.
I hate shopping. I'm not going shopping.
Well, it's
Let me go to the post
well,
office.
it's only our local shop. I didn't mean going shopping. Yeah. So
Okay, so the post office.
you can have, but there is another option. For dessert, we could just have fruit.
Oh no!
Sit down, please. We cannot see you right now. We can have. Daddy bought lots of oranges, apples, bananas.
No.
Yeah. So that's our second option. I cannot see you. Can you sit up, please?
Worst day ever.
So is that worst day ever? Are you mad?
Yeah.
Sit down, please. I cried. Shh. I cried today too, so I'm not surprised you're crying. I was really upset. I was upset for you. And I was upset for me because my sweets are gone. I've got no sweets to give you and I can't afford to buy new sweets.
Oh, so he hoovered up your money as well.
He didn't hoover up my money, I just can't afford sweets. That's why you were trick-or-treating, so you would have sweets for a whole year. Now we've got nothing in the house.
So when there's no trick or
And not just ate 3 bags full, but he also went to cupboard and ate full box of my and Daddy's sweets. It's not fair, is it?
Yeah. Let's throw him out the window now.
Shall we throw him out of the window? Well, that's not solution, boys. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Spray water on him.
but while we waiting for you to buy some sweets, we just eat fruit.
No!
That's okay. We can eat. Daddy bought bananas and apples. And
It's the wettest Friday ever.
it's disgusting, isn't it?
Yeah.
I hate this Friday.
Smelly Friday. Worse than any other day. Even worse than the pool fell on me. And
Yeah.
when I fell into those nettles.
It's worse than when you fell into nettles.
And
There.
when the pool
Wipe your
fell
tears.
on me. Oh.
Yeah.
No sweets for a year. That's too long to wait. Oh.
Only 365 days.
That's too long. Oh, I can't wait that long. Throw a pillow on him.
We should buy a sticky tape and stick him on a wall, shouldn't we?
Yes. Till he promises to never ever eat sweets again. And if he does, and if he breaks promise, we're going to put
It's such a shame because Henry Hoover is our friend. We had him since you were 5 years old, didn't we? Yeah. And now this is how he says thank you to us for cuddling him all the time, playing with him all the time. This is his thank you. That's very naughty.
I think he doesn't know how to behave. Maybe we should teach him how to behave. We'll put scores for him forever and teach him how to behave.
Yeah, we should have a score chart. If he misbehaves, we'll take points away.
And then if he reaches 0, that means he'll get beaten up. But if he gets a minus, it means that he's out. I got a good idea. We give him fruit and vegetables. He won't like them.
Yeah, Henry Hoover can eat fruit and vegetables. Yeah.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea, isn't it?
Yeah, we can. So we should give him fruit and veg to gobble up.
Yeah. Till he learns how to behave.
Yeah. Would you rather if he gobbled up your toys or sweets?
Toys.
Toys? You would give up your toys?
Yeah. No way, meow meow though.
How about your savings, your pocket money that you
That
save?
would be That would be bad.
How would you feel when you came into your money box and money were gone?
I would feel even more but mad because the sweets and notes were gone, and then we'd really beat him up. And I know it's hard to get more than £1,210. How about we adopt Henry and Hetty?
Adopt? We don't need to adopt them. They are already in our house. Adopt means you take them to your home. We already adopted them.
By that I mean we'll make a new small house.
Oh, right. You mean send them to be adopted by different family. But that wouldn't be fair.
You don't know what I mean.
Also.
First, we make a little house on the floor, which is big enough for Henry, and then we put him there.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll give him his own dinner, which will be something
Well,
which
he wouldn't like that. He wouldn't know how to. He wouldn't have anybody to play tricks on, would he?
We don't.
I think he likes it here because he can play tricks on you.
He can only play tricks if he learns how to behave from now on.
Yeah.
Well, I mustn't be like hoovering sweets.
Now guess what? I only played Halloween tricks on you, and I took your sweets, not Henry Hoover.
Ah! What's the money for that? Ah!
Hey, listen, your sweets are in where the plates are. I put them into one jar, and I added some more sweets there for inconvenience.
We're going to eat them now. Should we say sorry to Henry Hoover?
No, you really deserve to be said sorry. Come here.
Sorry, Henry, it was Mama's fault. Hoover up all her money, please.
Listen. You were really upset, weren't you? You were really upset about what I said, weren't you?
Yeah, you tricked us.
I'm sorry. It was just Halloween trick. Everybody does it to their children.
I didn't like it though. That was a bad Halloween
Yeah,
trick.
I was sorry to see you crying. Yeah, but it was just the Halloween trick. Yeah, and guess what? Not just you have all your sweets back. I gave you some of my sweets there too. You have extra sweets.
Yeah, we're going to eat some of them. That's your punishment. We're allowed to eat them.
I'm so upset. All my sweets are gone.
Yeah, I'm upset.
I had such a nice chocolates there.
Yes, I'm so angry I could do this.